Hello everyone, and welcome. This is a step-by-step beginner's guide to Zoho CRM, brought to you by TECHNO SET, your trusted Zoho partner. If you're brand new to Zoho CRM, or you just want to get comfortable with the basics, this tutorial will walk you through everything you need for your daily sales activities. We'll look at the homepage, explore modules, learn how to manage leads, accounts, and deals, and finish off with reports, analytics, and even how to set up your email inside Zoho CRM. All right, let's get started. When you first log in, you'll land on your homepage. Think of this as your personal dashboard or mission control. Right here, you'll see widgets like your open deals, upcoming tasks, key reports, and more. This page helps you quickly check what needs your attention today. Maybe you'll see an overdue task, a lead that needs following up, or the total deals you're currently managing. Depending on your company setup, your homepage may look a little different, but the idea is the same. One quick view of everything important. On the left side of your screen, you'll see the Modules menu. Each of these represents a different type of information you track. Leads, new potential customers. Accounts, the companies you do business with. Contacts, the people at those companies. Deals, opportunities to close sales. Think of modules as containers. Each module organizes and stores a specific type of record. Now, let's dive deeper into leads. Leads are where most sales journeys begin. A lead is someone who has shown interest in your product or service. Inside a lead record, you'll find fields like company name, email, phone number, and other details to help you qualify them. On the left side, you'll see related lists, notes, jot down details from your conversations, files, attach documents, proposals, or images, activities, create tasks, schedule calls, or plan meetings. Emails, send or track all your email communication directly inside the CRM. For example, let's create a task to follow up with this lead tomorrow. Tasks help you stay organized and appear both here in the record and on your homepage. Emails. You can send emails right from the CRM. Use templates to save time, and the system automatically records your conversations, even if you reply later from Gmail or Outlook. That way, all your communication history stays in one place. Filters and views. When you're looking at a long list of leads, use the quick filters on the left, like by status or source. And for recurring searches, save a custom view. For example, create a view for uncontacted leads or hot leads. These views give you working lists to prioritize your time. Converting a lead. Once you've qualified a lead and they're ready to move forward, click Convert. This turns the lead into 3 linked records: an account, the company; a contact, the person; and a deal, the opportunity. This way, everything about them is connected in your CRM moving forward. Now that we've converted a lead, let's look at the account. An account represents the company. Inside here, you'll see linked contacts, deals, tasks, and emails. If you work with multiple people at the same company, everything stays tied together under the same account. It's a central record for all company-level activity. Next, the Deals module. This is your sales pipeline. Each deal represents a potential sale, and at the top, you'll see the deal stages, like qualification, proposal, or negotiation. As you move deals forward, Zoho CRM updates the probability and expected revenue automatically. Important fields here include the deal amount, the closing date, and the expected revenue. Keep these updated so your forecasts are accurate. You can also send emails and create quotes directly from the deal record. Quotes let you share pricing and product details with clients, and you can track multiple quotes under a single deal. Reports help you dig into your data in detail. They're essentially tables that show things like open pipeline deals, leads by source, or sales by rep. You can filter, group, and export these reports to get exactly the view you need. And the best part? Reports update automatically as soon as your data changes. Analytics give you the big picture through charts and dashboards. Instead of looking at raw numbers, you'll see visuals, like a bar chart of leads created each month, or a pie chart of deals by stage. Dashboards can even be embedded on your homepage, so you get a quick snapshot the moment you log in. This is perfect for managers and teams that need at-a-glance insights. One more powerful feature is email integration. Head to Settings, the gear icon, and search for Email Configuration. From here, you can connect Gmail, Outlook, or Office 365. Once connected, your emails automatically sync with Zoho CRM. That means no more switching between platforms, and all your conversations are tied directly to the right records. You can also add your email signature here to keep your messages professional. That's the foundation of Zoho CRM. I hope this tutorial from TECHNO SET helped you feel more confident navigating the system. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with any questions. And remember, for personalized setup, customization, or ongoing support, visit us at technoset.com. We'd be happy to help you take Zoho CRM to the next level. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.